welcoming the guiding light of our institution, the chief guest of the evening, most respected, honorable MD and CEO, Shri K. Satyanarayana Raju sir. May we now request our beloved GS Ravi Anna, Madam Winnie, Vice President Winnie Marcus and the team to present bouquet to most respected, honorable MD and CEO sir. A huge round of applause for his warm welcome. May these flowers convey what words sometimes cannot, our deepest warmth and gratitude for your presence, sir. A huge round of applause for our own MD and CEO, Shri K. Satyanarayana Raju, sir.
Honorable Chief Guest, MD and CEO, Shri Satyanarayana Raju garu, respected ED, Arvind Singh Ahluwalia garu, President of ITCPOA, Shri Raju Begum ji, Chairman Shri Jagor ji, my dearest brother, beloved General Secretary Shri Raghukumar, GMHR Shri Jagor sir, GMIR Shri Amtam sir, GMHR Shri Ramanamurthy sir, our post circle head Srimati Vijayalakshmi garu, and all GMs, former office bearers, all the delegates and the guests present over here. Welcome all. Andariki Namaskaram. I am further blessed to offer my welcome with pranams to a very important personality present over here, Srimati Rama Sita garu, who has gifted a celebrity MD and CEO to the banking industry. Amma Namaskaram. I cordially invite the family members of the distinguished chief guests to the celebration of the unity. Sir, welcome. On behalf of the host regions, Bhimavaram, Kakinada, Vizianagaram and Vizag, it is my immense pleasure and great honor to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you. It is a matter of immense pleasure and honor for me as the chairman of the reception committee to welcome you to the final conference 2025 here in this magnificent city of Visakhapatnam. This is truly a historic moment, and the invitees and my guests are over 5,000. Welcome you all.
My family members, that's my mother, my brother, my sister-in-law, my family, wife and children and son-in-law, and my colleagues when I started my career. I invited those people, and when I started my education, the school friends, I invited those guys to this meeting, and finally my own Canara family members. It's a punishment for any speaker to come and address such a gathering after the Ravi Kumar delivers the speech. So now we have to find out on which topic I have to speak. He covers everything and he invites me to that, sir, you speak now. He always harasses the MD, not only in the cabin, even outside the cabin. First, let me say that I wish all of you a grand success of this 20th triennial meeting. CPOA is such a great trade union in the banking industry, which generally you don't find, because I am telling this authenticatingly. The reason is I have spent 37 years in the banking industry. I never seen such a trade union that which works hand to hand with the top management for the growth of the bank, simultaneously for the growth of the campus. It's only the CBOA. That is the reason. In every bank you will find so many unions and the membership sharing will be, variation is maybe the top 2 or 3, maybe a 10% or 15%. But the Canara Bank, because of such a visionary leadership at the helm of affairs for that organization, more than 90-95% is in one organization. That shows that the confidence of membership, confidence of 52,000 officer employees on the trade union leadership given by the present leadership, and of course it is inherited from that previous leadership. Always whenever we attend the joint committee meetings, the meetings will be very fruitful, constructive, and I never seen that a demand which is very difficult to implement, or it's you never feel that whatever they are demanding is abnormal to any management to implement those things. Such a constructive approach, I always believe leader means it's not that he gives only a strike calls always. Leader means get the things done. A successful leader, how he is getting the things done is not the issue. Whether he is successful in getting the things done, he is taking care of the members' requirements or not. That's what you can see from the CBOA top leadership sitting here. Many times, some of my secretariat people only used to ask me, sir, always you speak only 5 to 6 minutes with any of the executive or any of the person who comes to your cabin. But we look at that, you spend hours together with the Ravi. What makes the difference in the cabin? It's true, I spend hours together with the Ravi because I see my mirror image in him. So I love to interact with my own image. That's the reason I spend a lot of time with Ravi. Because when you interact with him, you yourself will be energized and you want to do much more things. Thank you, Ravi, for such a motivation. And it's very difficult to find such a youngster with such a passion to do something for the industry, something for the members, and they were taking ownership. Very few people you will find in the current scenario, the person who takes the ownership and take care of the people, who has kept the confidence on. And Ravi is one such guy. Let me say one more example. One day I got a call from Ravi. Bipartite settlement is over. Now areas are about to come. So I think the night, 9:30 or 10 o'clock. Sir, I want to speak to you for 2 minutes. Then I told, okay, carry on here, what you want. Yes, told, sir, I want to take one bold decision. That is, not to collect. You collect something, no, when the areas comes, what you call, I don't know that. Levy. Levy. Sir, I don't want, this time I don't want to collect levy. I surprised a trade union discussing or thinking about not to collect the levy. That levy itself will come approximately 50 crore. And he does not want to collect. And I am seeing when I joined that 88, and I was also a member who was contributing the levy. But whenever I was in the organization, a leader sitting at the helm of affairs and thinking about a member, sir, why to collect such a big amount? And I know that I am very confident, sir, on my members. Whenever we want to construct any holiday home or any initiative, when I give one call, within 2-3 days they are contributing lakhs of rupees. Then why I have to collect this? That was actually the version given by your secretary. I felt so happy means so happy. That's why I'm telling you that he is a mirror image of mine. The thought process, the pragmatism, rarely you find in a leader. Unfortunately, Canara Bank is lucky enough to have such leader at the helm of affairs, and I am very much confident the future of this Canara Bank and the Canarite is in the safe hands for next few decades. Last time, when I attended the Vijayawada triennial 19th triennial meeting, I already shared with you, most of you might have remembered that first time I am addressing such a big gathering, not only addressing and even facing such a big gathering. And again I am telling you, this is my second meeting, again addressing such a big gathering. After that 19th, this is the 20th. And whatever I told just now in the AV, they have displayed that. When I reported to the Canara Bank, I got an opportunity to study everything. And what I told is 100% correct. Our bank's strength is our Canarites. That's why I felt that when I got an opportunity to head this bank as an MD, I was overwhelmed and I was very much confident that whatever dreams I have in my mind, and this is the right bank, I can implement it because the most of these Canarites are youngsters and you can mold them the way it is required the bank, and it's very easy your job because the people from helm of affairs to the down the level all are good people. That's the reason I could take many of the reforms in this bank. Everybody the Ravi is praising me so many things that I have humankind and all. That's correct. As an MD, I may take some decision, but unless otherwise our HR department is so proactive to the employees, and if they don't put up the note favorably to the MD cannot do anything. MD alone cannot do anything. That's the reason. It's the entire top brass from helm of affairs, that from CGM to the down the level, there are good people and who listens to the genuine cases and they are ready to take a positive decision making. How your top management is concerned about you, first you should know. Many cases he has told, I don't want to tell about those things. One day I was in Mumbai for attending some official meeting. Night it was there. Around 9:30 again there is a call from the Ravi saying that, sir, in Bhopal or Madhya Pradesh? Agra. Sir, one of our officer is taken by the CBI under custody, and we have the proofs that there is nothing wrong from our side, but the CBI is taking an employee into the custody. Then immediately I reached HR department, we reached the circle head, and the circle head is rushed to that place. Fortunately, I have some relations because at the helm of affairs, I quite interactive with the higher officials, almost the highest officials of the CBI. But the local authorities, CBI, what is the problem is, once they got a case, they never accept that there is a wrong information and they were misguided. And they will see that the arrest happens. But with the persistent follow-up by the circle head, Mr. Rajnikant, he was there throughout the day, and he was keeping us informed from minute to minute what is happening. Fortunately, we got the video coverage, the CCTV footage, whatever the customer has complained, it's nothing but NPA recovery. A NPA party has come to the regional office for remitting the money, and it is being accepted by the regional staff members. That was red-handedly booked by the CBI saying that it is a corruption. But the CCTV has proved that it is only a part of the official thing, it's nothing to do with the corruption. That CCTV footage, I think it's a midnight around 11:30 or something. We put forward to that additional director to the CBI, then they got directions and all. The morning by morning, first time maybe in the history of the industry, the CBI has not registered any case and they left the guy without touching anybody. That's the concerns your main agent is having on all of you. Your CBI top leadership is having on all of you. So when the such coordination is there at the helm of affairs, naturally the performance will be what my earlier speakers has spoken about with you or shared with you. One more incident, let me share it with you. You know all of the people that when we lost 60 crores, a major theft in the gold loan in the Hubli, one of the Vijaypura region. We lost 60 kgs of gold. Of course, we suspended 30 people. But there is a lot of pressure on me from CBI saying that, sir, just give a complaint to us because it's above 6 crores. You are entitled to complain to the CBI. You just send in a complaint to the CBI. We will get back you the full money. But I know that the consequences of the CBI case. I can wash my hands by complaining the CBI case you just file a case with the CBI and wash your hands. But once you once you lodge the complaint, then that means you are considering that as a fraud. The process will be severely punished throughout their life. That's why we categorically denied the CBI. Sorry sir, we are not interested to file the CBI, but we have confidence on the local police authorities. We will pursue with them. That's the reason we could recover the entire 60 kgs of gold from that. And entire out of 32 people, except the person who involved directly, all the 31 suspensions have been invoked and made them to place on their places. Recently also in some mishappening at one of the region that I don't want to name on that, it's a small thing, but the inquiry report has come. They have placed it before me. There are 42 people are accused, as mentioned in the charge sheet. I called the judge, inquiry officer. If one case, if you want to punish 42 people, do you expect me to run the bank or the business or not? Then finally he was a little afraid. Finally we made it confined to that charge sheet. Only the person who involved directly is confined to one person, and remaining 41 names we have removed it. You all should remember how much deeply we are involved in that. Your staff accountability policy, now it has been modified. The existing policy says that whenever the account goes bad, the NPA, the staff accountability has to be looked into that irrespective of the age of that account. But now we incorporated in our policy, once that is account is 4 years old, there should not be any accountability on the people who are involved in the sanctions. Simultaneously, we fought in the board, we got an approved policy. If any loan is processed through digital business rule engine, no accountability on the entire processing officers or the sanctioning authority. This is officially documented policy. It is now implemented in our bank. And of course, thereafterwards, now RBI itself has come out with the same circular. So don't be afraid of any taking decisions, but follow the business rule engine. No, even the decision goes bad, no accountability on any of you. It doesn't mean that we are advising you to be negligent. Last 3 years, of course, for me banking is a passion. When you have passion, you will have some dreams. God has given me an opportunity to fulfill my dreams. And He has placed me in the MD and CEO post. I always used to think that whenever we in the field, when we were representing the public sector banks, when you approach a customer, we don't have proper products, we don't have proper technology, we don't have proper processes, and I always feel inferior compared to the private sector banks. And I used to think that why our banks, public sector banks, would never experiment in implementing when the private sector can do that. That was my first task. Last 3 years, a number of new innovative unique products we launched in the bank, and because of that products, last 2 years we got 38 lakhs of new customers with more than 30,000 crores of CASA, and now other banks are copying that products. Here I want to explain to you one thing. Recently, just 1 week back, one of the youngsters who has come to the head office for training from northeastern state, is a scale 3 guy. He has come to see me. I asked him to come and meet me. So it was around evening 6 o'clock. He was telling to me his batchmates are all working in SBI. Always they used to tease this guy that your bank is small bank or something, comments say we are all big banks and all. But last 2.5 years, he is harassing that guy saying that you are copying our products, you are copying our services, you are following our systems and all. He felt, he is sharing to me that I feel so happy, sir. This all you only has given to me. No, we all together has invented some new products and strengthened that field functionaries. When you are expecting your field functionary to canvass some business, first you should know what weapons he wants, what product he wants. That products we have given to you, we tried to give it to you, and you are proud to canvass so much business. We have created last 3 years several innovations, and now that's become a yardstick for the industry to follow. Your transparent transfer policy. Later on, after 1 year, the DFS itself has adopted the policy and advised all banks to implement that. In that policy, one special, on the request of the Ravi, we inserted pregnant and baby feeding mothers got exemption from the transfers up to 2 years. That is a humankind what we are implemented in the policy.
CBI जिंदाबाद 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 CBI जिंदाबाद 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 और यूनिटी जिंदाबाद 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 CBI long live CBI long live CBI long live कोई नहीं है दिल्ली के टक्कर में कोई नहीं है दिल्ली के टक्कर में जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद उमर
रिव्यू है जिंदाबाद।
हम तो रह गए तुम इधर आओ भाई। गुड आफ्टरनून फ्रेंड।
सारे ऊपर डाइस में बैठे हुए सेंट्रल कमेटी मेंबर्स हैं, CCO हैं, CNT है।
बोलो शर्मा जी।
बोलो सही, बोलो ना। अरे ये हमारे अरुण शर्मा जी हैं,
गुड आफ्टरनून
आगे
फ्रेंड।
चरणजीत जी हैं,
एवरीबॉडी
हमारे गुलजाल सर,
those who are in the corridor kindly take it
शार्दुल
here.
मोडिया, मैडम
अंकिता,
अनुज भट्ट, राकेश,
अभिनव, मधुकर,
मधुकर और पीछे बैठे हुए हैं। अच्छा देवेश कहाँ है? देवेश कहाँ है?
ये इसके साथ बैठा मधुकर के साथ।
अच्छा
देवेश इधर देखो।
पीछे बैठा हुआ वो हमारा गाजियाबाद वाला दूसरा सेक्रेटरी आलोक। हाँ
Big round for the unity and strength that we all possess. Friends, CBI what stands today. In fact, I wanted during my address yesterday to let you all know that the journey that we have traveled during the last 4 years, the leadership of our General Secretary has provided this to all the units. I wanted to thank you on your behalf yesterday. Then if not yesterday, let me start with this today morning. That this is the General Secretary Ravi, with the last 4 years period, that he has brought about CBI to a level what it is today. With a breeze, subtle breeze of rhythm and cohesiveness, oneness blowing across all the units, that we are able to get together and dance to our own music, not to the tune of anybody else. Dance for ourselves, and in the middle of all that we are able to see that in every such act of our association, the top management is involved so deeply.
वीडियो बन रही है। 9 होटल से सारे डेलीगेट्स ऑल ओवर इंडिया के वेन्यू की ओर जा रहे हैं। आज फाइनल दिन है। आज डेलीगेट सेशन तकरीबन ख़त्म हो चुका है। उसके बाद फिर इलेक्शन होगा और सिलेक्शन भी होगा। Yes. भाई और कुछ नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत तो आएगा, अभी करते हैं गाना।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
Trying to talk about something that is very, very relevant. Somebody to be working in inspection or whatever, there are a lot of few issues to address or to be addressed. My dear brother, that is always.
I would like to thank the reception committee chairman, Shri Rama Prasad. Give a warm round of applause to him for conducting this program in this manner, my friends. Having a great dream is not enough. What is very important is I should be able to have a great team. I had a dream to see that Canara Bank is the only association to reckon with in the banking industry. But if I have to achieve that, necessarily I should have a team. My dear sisters and brothers, this is a team that has been there with me for the last 3 years to construct this maximum association called Canara Bank Association. Dear delegates, last 3 days, I've been witnessing all your deliberations. I was thinking most of you were going to talk about the benefits, but I was enthralled to understand most of you were thinking about how to make Canara Bank as number one and how to make Canara Bank Office Association as number one. Probably that is a very fragmented of Canara Bank Office Association. In 2002, the bank business was 1 lakh crores. It took for us almost 8 years to make that business as 5 lakh crores. And again from 2005 to 10, 5 lakh crores. And from 2010 to 2018, it has taken another 8 years to make the business as 10 lakh crores. But from 2018 to 2020, within 3 years, we were able to make our bank business to 20 lakh crores thanks to the mega unity of Canara and Syndicate, and only because of this amalgamation, we were able to make 20 lakh crores of business, my dear friends. And from there, in the last 3 years, we added a business of how much? How much? 7 lakh crores. Today, fundamentally, I am the strongest bank in the industry. Warm round of applause to other bank, my dear friends. Various issues have been deliberated. And I am going to keep my response in 4 methods. We talked about the bank, we talked about CBOA, we talked about the industry, and we also talked about the leadership that is needed for Canara Bank Officers Association. My dear friends, how should I start? Shall I start with Canara Bank, or industry, or CBOA, or the leadership? You can tell me. How should I start? How will we start? Industry? When you talk about industry, first question you are going to ask is only, when is 5 years done in? You are going to call. CBOA is going to demand that unless and until a proper constructed assurance is given, then only I am going to be the strike. Otherwise, I am to go into the streets. And it is right. It is sealed. During the joint note, we have signed it. And we are taking lots of time. We are going to mount huge pressure. And I want all of you ready to wage a war. Are you with me? Are you with me? Not in the hall. If I want you on the streets, you should be available to come and stand with me. And as a leader, I am going to stand in front of you, and I want you to come and stand in front of me. Are we ready for it? Are we ready for it? As CBOA, I am not concerned about benefits, because naturally I will be able to get it. As CBOA, what is very important for me is my bank, public sector bank. Are we going to exist like that? Bill Gates, he says we need banking in the country, but never the banks. He says, I don't call any banks. Nirmala Sitharaman, Honorable Finance Minister of the country, she says privatization is just a calculated decision. Is it just a cabinet decision, my dear friends? Is it just a cabinet decision? Can we allow the very fabric of public sector banks to be taken for granted? Can we do it? My dear brothers and sisters, in spite of many challenges, in the last 4 to 5 years, the public sector banks in India were able to give almost 1.78 lakh crores of net profit to government. In spite of doing social banking, we were able to achieve it. And that is why, as CBOA, I try to tell you, it is not about privatizing or privatizing nationalized banks. I want all the private sector banks in India should be nationalized at any cost, because we are here. From the very near to Maiwan, people were thinking, how is he going to manage a youngster? Whether is it possible for a youngster to run this organization? I used to normally tell our people, if Microsoft can be run by a youngster, if Google can be run by a youngster, why not you? Today, as youngsters, we can do everything. That is what we wanted to show to the country, and that is why today all the youngsters are sitting here. We are forming leadership, my dear friends. Please give a round of applause to all of you. Immediately upon becoming Health Secretary, September 21, immediately with the discussion of my friend Prabhu, we conducted a program of dumping the targets 2.0. 1.0 was given by Mr. Maiwan, 2.0 was given by me, and we have only one dream. My bank business should be 20 lakh crores. My net profit should be 20,000 crores. We started this campaign in Chennai, and the result is, today, Central Bank is in doldrums. Majority of the small banks are in doldrums. As leadership, we were able to think, if not today, tomorrow I am going to be attacked. And if at all I am attacked, how am I going to protect myself? We were able to think well, and we gave a direction to all the handballs. You all went in the street, and we made our balance sheet size to 27 lakh crores. Today, I am big, I am bold, I am beautiful. That is why nobody can touch Canara Bank. And the reason is, Canara Bank operates as a association. Most of the other banks, business is normally given by the administration. But in Canara Bank, the budget is given by Canara Bank Office Association. And most of the time, tell the top management, sir, you are all here only for 1 year, 2 years or 3 years. You are all the visitors. But as Stan Paul, I am a resident. I am going to be here for next 25 years. That is why the business is important to me. My bank is important to me. I want my bank to progress. This is my direction. You work. This is how CBOA is able to work in the field, my friend. Bring your applause to Canara Bank Office Association. In the present situation, there are only 3 concepts. One is no hiring. Second, more firing. And the third, artificial intelligence. Yesterday in my General Secretary's report, I was enthroned to see some of the governments have already have AI whether am I going to be at risk, whether my officers community is ready to embrace artificial intelligence. That is why in the last 4 years, you could just see my joint conference agenda. One particular point consistently comes, that is training and development. We were able to anticipate well in advance because I want my officers to upskill, reskill. The skill development should be there. That is the reason we requested the bank, the training should be world class. Majority we asked me, sir, if I am not able to participate in the training, they are giving AWL. Okay? Is that okay? Marking AWL, if you are not attending the interview, is that okay? Okay? Yeah, okay now. Earlier the complaint was, sir, I want to undergo the training, but unfortunately, but there my journey does not stop. Now, I ask my officer, ask my senior members to kindly give me the feedback. Next 3-4 months time is there. I am going to give presentation to the administration and we will ensure this particular R1 package is first accepted by CBOA, then only we will implement across the cadres in the bank. This is the demand I am going to take to the bank administration by the way. There was an advertisement by FSID. What was the advertisement? No, these positions are available even for private players. They does not tell the story. They tell in public sector banks only the EDs and MDs are eligible. But for private players, even those who are below board level, they can participate. They also told that the vigilance officers also are eligible. Somewhere a pakka plan is there to ensure the public sector is being taken into the hands of private players. That is why we immediately, CBOA is the first association to write a letter to the ministry and it is widely circulated and a statement comes that okay, public sector banks have got immense talent. This is what is Canara Bank Office Association that is doing for you. Most of you ask me, sir, huge pressure. Pressure is there now? Yes or no? I would like to ask you, how much is too much? What is too much to me may not be too much to you. And moreover, should I be taking anybody's permission to be happy? Should I be taking their permission? Should we be taking their permission? And this bank is mine. And I am working for this bank. And why are we trying to give manual of instruction to somebody else to be happy? As association, we conducted an agitation program in one of the regions in South India because of some issue. For 1 week, because antibiotics should be given for 1 week. We told, come on, implement the work on time. 1 week, the case will be rejected. If any such cases are there, I kindly request to take up the regional secretaries. And the regional secretary will take up the CCO. And the CCO will take up H1 license. And we will ensure all our officers are staying comfortably with their families and taking care of their kids. You asked me about the login days. How many login days? So many login days. Maha login day, Maha login day, mother-in-law day, father-in-law day, son-in-law day. So many days are coming. And where is the day for me to do business, man? I want you working in the bank to be honest, not nice. These days, we are trying to be nice at the cost of being honest. Honesty does not mean you are doing something wrong, no. Why am I able to say no? Just because a target is given to me, am I going to take some bad business? Is it the style of CBI? Or just because I have achieved my target, am I going to leave my good business? I kindly appeal to all of you. Embrace the courage. Kindly get up and tell, I am sorry, sir. This is what I can do, and I will only do this. In this bank, not a single officer has been issued with any charge sheet for not doing business. In this bank, majority of the officers or managers or senior managers have been issued with charge sheet or disciplinary proceedings for doing unethical business. I kindly appeal to all my young brothers and sisters. Embrace the courage to tell, I am industry. That is the strength we have. We can do well. And there is a kind of pressure. I kindly request you, out of pressure, please do not do any unethical business. If it is a login day, Maha login day, does not matter. And for us, what matters is only Canara Bank. I will work only for Canara Bank. I am not going to work for GS. I am not going to work for General Manager. I am not going to work for my overhead. I will work. But for whom? It is only for Canara Bank because this bank is doing everything for me. I want this sort of approach from each and every one of my officers who is working in this bank. So a few people ask me, sir, what about the local recruitment? Especially my friends from Ahmedabad and Karnataka. They were telling, sir, we need local based officers in the bank. Good. Concept is good. And I fully understand why they asked it. Not many people are coming forward. Because it is really brutally difficult for anybody to come from that part of the country to come and work in this part of the country. But as delegates and as leadership, I want you to understand the bigger picture. What is necessary? Knowing the local language is necessary, or being born in a particular place is necessary. Today, there is no hiring. And the recent study has told that for every 1 lakh applicants, only one job is available. Okay, now, from 2009, the recruitment started in the bank. And the recruitment was taking place only from certain pockets of the country. But where are the vacancies? Vacancies are available only in the other part of the country. And people are not coming forward to take the banking job in these particular places. Now, how to fill these vacancies? As of today, I am all India recruitment. If I am ready to work anywhere in India, yes, as a bank officer, I am going to work. And as a local based officer, they put a condition that you should be completing your POC only from that particular state.
But I know my son is delivered. But he is delivered with the tremendous sign. Very good. He is a serious. He wanted a good. He gave foundation one. Our expectation was only one. That he will have to be built over a period and his remains forever. But I have got a good confidence of seeing all of you. This is a more building what we are laying foundation are going to be never with the same kind of enthusiasm and desire. Thank you very much. All the best. I only wish that this your commitment to build up the CPA